Welcome to Newnie's world. This is Newnie, and I am Avia, her mommy Avia. We're here because Newnie wants to get tattoos.
We're going to play, what's it called?
What's it called?
Volcano.
Oh, and the volcano.
Yeah.
What do you call it?
Volcano.
Tell them.
Volcano.
It's a volcano?
Yes.
Volcano. Say volcano.
Volcano.
Look. Volcano.
Oh.
Say volcano.
Volcano.
Yeah, there you go. So she got all these cool different tattoos. We're just going to show everybody the different kinds of tattoos you have.
That makes you love it.
It's so cool.
I'm going to pick a butterfly.
You're going to pick the butterfly? So she wants
Butterfly.
a butterfly.
Yeah, it's cute.
Okay, so she wants a butterfly tattoo.
Yeah. So we got all the butterflies.
And she has smaller tattoos.
And we got cards.
Yeah, so she got different card tattoos. So which one? Look up through this and pick it.
This one.
You want this one, the panda bear?
Yeah, panda. You know a panda climbing the tree?
Yeah. So she has her cup of water. We got a cup of water. We didn't put too much water in there, just a little bit to dab the tattoos.
I'm gonna love it. I don't know what is that because
I gotta get scissors.
Okay.
1 second.
Alright, we eat this Newnie's world, eat this Newnie's world, like Nownie's world, Mommy world. Mommy world's gone. And Molly Newnie's world's gone. And my Newnie's world and my world queen. Oh, I was the people.
You talking to the people?
Yes.
Okay, so we got some scissors.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Make sure you always get the safety scissors. Since I'm cutting, Noni won't be cutting. I'll cut. So I'm gonna stick the water here.
I'm scared. Why you about to cut my
Okay, so she wants the butterfly. You want this butterfly?
Yeah.
So she wants this butterfly.
You got a big butterfly and the baby one.
So I'm just going to
Oh my god.
cut.
Don't cut my. Why cut my tattoo?
I have to cut out the tattoo you want.
Oh my god. I will just cut my tattoo out of here.
So these are the ones that you pretty much apply the water to.
Yeah.
And it'll go onto the skin.
Yeah,
We're going to cut around the silhouette of the tattoo she wants. Now, she wants this. And she also wants the panda bear. Alright. So we're going to cut
Oh, you're just so funny.
the panda.
Oh, you're so funny.
I am.
Oh my god, it's so funny. She cute. You come biting me. And look, I got Coraline. Like you can go see the Coraline movie theater. It's coming out. My birthday coming out. And look, Coraline just coming out. It's not coming out. Okay, look. Let's just get cut it. Wait, clown face. You made a heart.
Did I? That's not a heart.
What is that?
I don't know. It's not a heart though. So, question. Where would you like these tattoos? Where should I put them?
In my hand.
Okay. Where you want me to put the panda bear?
Mm-hmm.
Where? Right here?
Yeah.
On your wrist?
Yeah.
Okay. So, they have this protective film to protect the tattoo. You just want to peel that back because you don't want to apply it to the skin because that would be pointless, right? Okay.
Ooh.
Ooh. All right. So let me see your wrist.
My wrist. And my wrist?
Let me see your wrist. So we're going to take a wrist and we're going to apply the panda. You want it like this?
Yeah.
Or do you want it this way? Should we do it this way? This way?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to place it where she wants it. I'm going to stick it onto her arm like that. And then I'm going to take this this paper towel we have, and I'm going to just dip the water because you want to apply some water to it. And you just wet the tattoo.
Oh my God, it's coming out.
And just apply.
It's coming out. Oh my God, it's coming out.
Are you excited?
Yep. I never see the animal. You never see the animal is.
I'm gonna just a little bit more water.
So you see the animal?
The more the better.
You see the panda animal?
Yeah.
That is food.
Is that your favorite movie? The panda?
No,
movie?
it's the animal. The animal you cross it. You cross this car
Yeah.
and you drop me off in the animals.
Oh wow.
And yeah, it's the animal.
So now that I put the water on there, we're just going to slowly peel it back and look. Show them your tattoo. That's pretty.
Oh my God, it's cute.
So let it dry.
Right. I'm this way.
Okay, wait a minute. I gotta put your butterfly.
Oh no, my. Oh God, it's so funny.
That's so cute. That's
oh
so
my God, look at it. It's how to dry.
Yeah. Oh, we didn't. Uh-oh.
Wait.
Gotta be careful. Gotta
I
keep...
fall asleep with my tattoo coming out and my sister gone.
You gotta keep this on here because you don't want this to
This
mess
smells
up.
good. It smells the panda or something.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay, so she wants this big one instead.
And we
The
got,
other one was
we got
it was
stars.
defected.
We got stars.
We do have stars.
And that's cute. I love stars.
Yeah.
I miss stars. Stars. Okay, the movie is the stars.
So I'm going to attempt to cut this one just because of the way it is. It's so close to the other ones.
Ayo.
So we're going to do this one instead. All
What
right,
the
where
fish-
this one going to go?
Let's go in there.
All right, let me see if we can do that.
Huh, man?
Should we do on your hand?
Yeah.
Like mommy? You
Like-
want tattoo like mommy?
Oh my God, Look, you messed up butterfly.
No, I didn't.
Oh my God. My friend give me it. Look.
Should have kept it on a little bit longer, but guess what? I fixed it.
Oh, it's cute. Oh, the
me see.
butterfly crying. The butterfly crying. The butterfly crying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just want to add a little bit more water to it, just to kind of.
That's the butterfly. Oh.
That
Wow.
is so pretty.
Oh my God.
Show them.
Look, guys.
That is so pretty.
All right, I found my name.
Okay.
That's my
So we're
right.
gonna stick this over here.
Look, I found my right name. Oh my God, I found my right
Honey,
name.
that's not your name. That says love hate.
Wait,
That
love?
says love hate. So she want this tattoo.
Yeah, it's cats.
The cats. She want this one. Okay. Where we putting this one?
Come on. Right here.
On your forehead?
Yes.
What? You want this big tattoo on your forehead?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Well, you're the client, so you get whatever you want.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's get out of here.
Jesus, on your forehead?
Yes. Yeah. He said she gonna love it. She gonna
Wow, show the people.
look. A flower, a big flower.
A big flower.
Yeah.
Where's the big flower going
Right
to go?
here. Mine.
You gotta fit now.
Right here.
It can't. We gotta do a small flower then. So I'm thinking Look, so this is what I'm thinking, right? As your artist, I'm thinking maybe you should do a flower here. You want a flower here?
Yep.
Okay. Can we do a blue flower?
Yeah.
All right. You okay with that?
Yep. Take my sunshine. You got both.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I want to do my sunshine with my bug. No. You know the fruit prank? You know the fruit prank? And I didn't do my fruit prank because she pranked.
So she got a rose, a blue rose, guys.
And I got a bug. Ew, the bug session. What kind of bug is that?
I don't know.
Look at my sister card. Hey, she copy.
That's so cool.
Oh my God.
It's so pretty. Show me your face. That's so cool.
Okay, this.
Okay, so you want me? Oh, you want a bug?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
kind of gross. Oh my God, I'm a dirty.
Which one? Which one?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like that one.
Ew.
Well, let's do this one.
Oh, thanks.
Okay.
Oh, was that a ladybug?
No, that's not a ladybug. That's a spider.
A spider? Ooh, I want one spider in my house. I want to get that bug out of here. I saw you get that bug out of here.
5 hours later.
So, guys. Whoa, look at all the tattoos.
No.
Let me check out your tattoos. Let's go in the bathroom. Wow.
Now, where's my leg?
Oh, you have to turn around and look. I don't know how you're going to see it, but it's right there.
Oh my God. Like, okay, we almost finished.
So, she has the, look at the work. Whoa, let me show everybody the artwork. Hold your neck up. Oh my goodness. Let me show them your back tattoo. Oh my goodness. She got a whole back tattoo with the galaxy. It's so cool. This one kind of, and she got a sleeve tattoo. That's so cool. Whoa. What else you got? Spider, bubblegum, cat, bear, teddy.
What is that?
That's a panda bear.
No, that.
That's a deer.
Look.
And she got a hand tat,
This star.
butterflies, stars. That's so cool. You tatted.
Thanks. Okay, games, my friends. I set it up. If you show them in to Newnie's World again.